Hey guys, welcome back to the brand new video, and today I'm going to show you the two most traditional, most wearable style which you can wear it even though you are wearing a traditional outfit or you are wearing the western one. So keep watching. This two hijab style was one of the most famous hijab styles that is going on. Yet for the traditional outfits, if you're wearing the western ones, both of these hijab styles will go together, even though the last hijab styles and this hijab styles will go both to the traditional. If you're wearing the sari, even if you're wearing the skirts and everything, this hijab style will go in both ways. So I am really glad that I could share this hijab styles with you guys, and I will share more hijab style for the next days too. So keep loving me, keep watching these videos, and let me know how do you feel. If you have tried, then how that goes. So take care guys, I will see you in my next video. So bye.